India, colorful and vibrant, a land as diverse as its people, mosaic of faiths, cultures, customs and languages that blend harmoniously to form a composite whole. Punjab is a northern state in India known for the holiest of the Sikh shrines, the Sri Harmandir Sahib, the Golden Temple, which is in the city of Amritsar. Agriculture is the largest industry of Punjab. The Preet Group took birth through a visionary, idealist and born entrepreneur, Mr. Hari Singh, who believed in social transformation through business. The foundation of this company was laid in 1980 by its managing director, Mr. Hari Singh, who initiated with tractor mechanical works. In the year 1986, with strong determination, hard work and the help of his younger brother Mr. Gurcharan Singh, they successfully made first tractor-driven combine harvester and self-propelled combine harvester. The Preet Group is spread on a sprawling area of more than 50,000 square meters at a picturesque location at Nabha in the state of Punjab, around 250 kilometers from New Delhi, the capital of India.
हमारी कंपनी एक छोटी सी ट्रैक्टर रिपेयर की वर्कशॉप से शुरू की। उसके बाद हमने मेज हार्वेस्टर जो फॉरेन से आती थी उसको पंजाब गवर्नमेंट के साथ मिलके बनाया और बहुत सक्सेसफुली चली। आफ्टर दैट हमने ट्रैक्टर बनाने की सोची। अभी हमारा देश भर में सर्विस का नेटवर्क है और हम किसान भाइयों को कोई दिक्कत ना हो इसलिए सर्विस के लिए सर्विस वैन्स का अरेंज किया है।
Preet Agro Industries Private Limited, Preet Group's flagship company, is today India's largest combine harvester manufacturer, commanding a phenomenal 40% market share. Preet Agro Industries Private Limited manufactures the following combine harvester models: Preet 849 Maize Special, Preet 849 Combine Harvester, Preet 949 Tangential Axial Flow, Preet 949 Track Type, Preet 987 AC Multicrop, Preet 987 Multicrop, Preet 7049 Maize Special. With undying zeal, the great visionary Mr. Hari Singh took a new initiative in the year 2002 and incorporated Preet Tractors Private Limited. This firm started the production of agricultural tractors under the brand name Preet. Preet tractors that are available in the range of 35 to 90 HP are tested and approved by the Government of India and Ministry of Agriculture. Within a short span of time, Preet Tractors has become one of the top 5 tractor manufacturers of India. Preet Tractors has always been up to date in terms of technology, be it TREM2 compliance or the latest TREM3. Preet Tractors are passed through all the technical and environmental tests as required by government norms. Preet Tractors Private Limited manufactures the following tractor models: Preet 955 2-wheel drive, Preet 955 4-wheel drive, Preet 3549 2-wheel drive, Preet 4549 2-wheel drive, Preet 6049 2-wheel drive, Preet 6049 4-wheel drive, Preet 6549 2-wheel drive, Preet 6549 4-wheel drive, Preet 7549 2-wheel drive, Preet 7549 4-wheel drive, Preet 9049 4-wheel drive AC cabin. The Preet Group is successfully running under the leadership of his directors Mr. Gurcharan Singh, Mr. Prem Singh and Mr. Gurpreet Singh.
पिछले महीने हमने नए प्लांट का उद्घाटन किया है जिसमें हमारे प्लांट की कैपेसिटी अभी 1000 ट्रैक्टर महीने की हो चुकी है. Our tractor is being exported to various countries in the world. We're exporting to around 19 countries to the world.
Supported by a highly professional team with manufacturing and marketing skills. The team has vast technical knowledge as well as worldwide experience in customer relationship. Preet Tractor highlights. Fitted with TREM 3 approved engine. Dual clutch. Reverse PTO. Power steering optional. Highly powerful and fuel efficient. Turbocharged optional. Manufacturing plant facility. Preet has a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant. The products are manufactured on a fully automated assembly line using the latest machine tools and equipment that is the highest in industry standards. In-house R&D department ensures that the products manufactured are up to date in terms of technology and also comply with environmental guidelines given by the Government of India. The plant is equipped with HMC machines, VMC machines, CNC turning machines, shearing machines, bending press, computerized lathe machines, power press, laser cutting machines, turret punch machine, shapers, radial drill machine. Quality standards. Preet is a quality conscious organization. The production process is controlled by the Quality Control Department. This ensures that the products manufactured by Preet meet with all quality standards. We take care of quality right from the raw materials that are used in manufacturing of products. Along with this, we also keep an eye on our production setup that ensures the machines are serviced timely to give accurate performance for production. Moreover, the company is ISO 9001-2008 certified by BSI NAB CB. Preet is India's largest combined harvester manufacturer, and Preet tractors are the most sought after tractors in India as well as in the international market. Preet tractors have gained the trust of Indian farmers within a short span of time. We strive to create excellent solutions for our customers by carefully listening to their needs and exceeding their expectations. All our products are manufactured in a fully automated plant equipped with the latest machine tools and technology that meet the highest standards of industry. With highly experienced technicians, world-class infrastructure, and prominent after-sales service, Preet has been able to produce high-quality agricultural products. Our high number of repeat orders is a clear proof of the success through total quality management system that we are enjoying in the industry by scripting a near impossible success story with constant national awards by the Government of India. Preet combined harvesters and tractors are being exported to countries like Pakistan, Burma, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, South Africa, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, South Korea, Algeria, Myanmar, Ethiopia, and Australia. Mission: to become the #1 agriculture equipment manufacturing company by producing high-quality agriculture equipment to the full satisfaction of farmers across the world. The Preet Group has been the recipient of national awards, state awards, Punjab Ratan Award, Business Wizards Award, and Entrepreneur of the Year Award. The sun is shining and Mother Earth is smiling. The wings are spread to capture the sky. The hearts are thundering with zeal and enthusiasm. And the writing is clear in the sky. The future belongs to us. We are Preet.